Lee Hall is the newest residence hall at Manhattan College, home to approximately 550 students on 10 co-ed floors. Just like its sister tower, Horan Hall, this suite-style home away from home offers more independence and privacy than traditional residence halls. In Lee Hall, you'll share a suite with 3 or 4 friends in adjoined rooms. These comfy spaces come fully furnished with beds, desks, and dressers, just waiting for your personal touch of style. You'll also enjoy free Wi-Fi, cable TV, and air conditioning. Each of the 10 floors has laundry, a common area with a kitchenette, tables, couches, and a flat-screen TV. There are also individual study rooms for those nights when you need a quiet place to study. Lee Hall is also home to the Arches Living and Learning Community, a first-year program that houses up to 180 students on the first few floors of Lee. With great friends like these and amenities to boot, you'll have no problem making Lee Hall your home away from home.